Hi guys, this is Pamester14 and today is a very special day because I've been waiting for this day for a really long time now. I'm at Mark Performance Exhaust with my Polo GT because today finally I'm getting a full system exhaust done on the car. Now the first step is we're going to remove the catalytic converter, and this is really hot right now, so we have put a wet cloth so it can cool down faster, and then we'll install the downpipe. So guys, over here we have the downpipe, and over here we have the end can. This is a complete stainless steel downpipe. As you can see, you have the flanges which have been 3D designed. You have the bracket, and you also have the O2 sensor right here, so you don't even get the engine check light. And this is a complete stainless steel end can which I've gone for a very simplistic design. There you can see. We're getting the car up on the ramp. We have taken the car on the ramp, and now the first step is to remove this catalytic converter. And the Polo GT is famous for its problems for removing the heat shield and the catalytic converter. So yeah, so while we remove the heat shield, let's just see what cars we have here. So over here, what looks like a C63 AMG is actually a C220D, and this just started up and it sounds insane, guys. Pretty good sound for a diesel car. And over here we have a bike I'm seeing for the first time. It's probably the bike from the 90s. It's the Kawasaki LTD 1100. It's 1100 cc, guys. And this is the NPE workshop. So guys, this is the catalytic converter, and this is the heat shield, and this was quite some task to remove it. And now we have put the downpipe. The downpipe has been installed, as you can see over here.
6 hours later.
Exhaust is done. The cutout is perfect. And if we go under the car, I have decided to keep the resonator, which is right there. And in the resonator, I have asked them to join SS pipe. I've kept the resonator because I don't want so much of drone noise inside the cabin. But yeah. Quite happy with the sound. It's not much, it's not very loud. It is exactly how I want it. Guys, finally the car is ready now, and let's take it for a spin.
बाय बाय टाटा गुड बाय गया।